We're on the old Mam Tor road. So this used to be one of the main roads that cut across the Peak District. But you can see it's not a very happy road. You know, you wouldn't want to be driving over that. And in about 1979, they stopped maintaining the road because this is part of an active landslide. So down in front of me here, there you can see the distal part of the landslide. So you can see that all that hummocky ground there, that's where the ground has flowed out and is still deforming. It's still moving by up to 10 centimetres a year. But it doesn't actually look like very impressive landslide. If you look at the slope behind me, it doesn't actually look very impressive. But actually, above that cliff that you can see above me, that's all the back scarp of the landslide. So that's about 300 metres high, and the toe runs out about 1.5 kilometres. So this is a really, really impressive, very large landslide. This is the Mam Tor landslide. It's the largest landslide on mainland Britain, and it's formed after the last ice age. So during the ice age, then the glaciers eroded out all of the soft shales here and steepened up the side of Mam Tor so that it was dynamically unstable. But the weight of the ice on top of it kept it in position. Once the ice is gone, that buttressing is removed and the thing ends up sliding away and collapsing to produce what we see as the modern landslide. And it's quite hummocky ground. It goes on about 1 kilometre beyond us, so it's a big landslide. But actually, it doesn't look very impressive. Yeah, the cliff behind me doesn't look very big. But actually, if you take a broader view, blah, 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 the cliff, blah, blah, not bar, bar, bar. The cliff above us is actually very big and very impressive. That's about 300 metres high. And that's the main scar of the cliff here. So that's the proximal part. It's about 1.5 kilometres from that slide to the very toe of the landslide. And it formed as it formed after the last ice age. So during the glacial maxima, this was covered with ice. The ice eroded away the softer shales and into the sandstones and over-steepened Mam Tor cliff face like this. It was over-steepened, but there was ice there providing support, buttressing support. So that kept it stable. But after the ice age, when the ice has gone, maybe this is going to be a blooper reel.
I tried to keep it together. I just couldn't. Oh dear.
So after the ice age, when the ice has gone away, you've got this over-steepened surface which is dynamically unstable, and that's when the landslide happens. So it's a glacial debuttressing event. But it is still active. The toe is moving at about 10 centimetres a year on average, and this is why they couldn't maintain the road.